Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you guys are wondering what's happening, we are going to be playing a bunch of useless maps that really shouldn't be in Roblox, and we are playing Belly World. And I think it speaks for itself. I think it speaks for itself. But like, why? If this map is you and there's this many people playing it, can you tell me why this is a thing? Can somebody tell me why this is a thing? Can somebody tell me why this is a thing? I was screaming into my microphone because I don't know why this is a thing, and then there's... I'm running. What is this? Here's evil Belly World. I guess we're playing evil Belly World now. I guess this is another weird map. I don't know if you guys can see. If you guys are blind, then you guys obviously can't see, but that's... I think it speaks for itself too. It's a gigantic eye looking at me, no matter where I go. Okay, this is really creepy. Can I I can't zoom out. You have to stay in first person mode. What's in this world? That's my question. Like, what's in this world? It seems like there's literally nothing in here. I'm probably gonna speak too soon. Okay, hey buddy. We could talk about this. It's like the moon, no matter where you go. If I keep running towards it or something. Do you hear that? It's also 9:20 here. I'll even prove it to you. Here, I got it. Crud. Well, it's 9:26 at night. PM. So if I get nightmares, this is all on this game. It's all on this game. I am blaming it on this game if I get nightmares of 9. But the good thing is there's a Fortnite event at 7 o'clock in the morning, so I am going to wake up for that, you know? So I won't have, only 9 hours will have to be of me sleeping. I fell off the world. Now I just get to stare at this eye. Isn't that just great? Or maybe not. Well, thanks guys. I'm gonna move on to the next... I don't know. I'm gonna move on to the next game. Okay, so I searched up burger, and this came up. Burger King Tycoon. Sounds appetizing, I think. Right? Appetizing? Maybe not? I don't really know. I'll see you guys in the game. Burger King Tycoon. Let's start up. Begin working. Is this even a working tycoon? Oh, I have to touch to claim it. I want this. Bam. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. Now I need to make money. It says there's no money. No money! Oh, I have to click! Well, yeah, that's easy. Just gonna click here all day. I'm clicking like really hard. Like, look at my clicks. I'm like clicking like a master clicker. Let's see how much money we've made. 43? Really? Well, I guess I'll claim the money. I guess, do you only get like $1? Here, let me see. I click once. And it goes through. Let it go through. I get $1 for every click. That's annoying. But if I click a lot, I will see you guys when I'm done clicking. Okay, so I've been sitting here and clicking for the past like 5 minutes, and I got a new dropper, by the way, and I have $300. That means I clicked. Oh, I clicked so many times. Okay, get this. Okay, now we got a new dropper. It's bigger, fat, juicier. Yeah. Okay, then we're just gonna sit here and click for a little bit longer. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I've been clicking for a while, and I have my buddies to help me. And I have $606, so we're gonna buy an upgrader. And I like upgrades, I guess, the money that I get. Now, all right, $15. So I'm gonna go back to clicking, because clicking is apparently my thing. So, see you in a little bit. All right, so I've been clicking for a while now. Let's see how much money we have. $2,000. That's a lot of money. Mega dropper. Oh. So I think now I'm gonna make a decent amount of money on my own. Let's go see my Oh wait, I don't have any neighbors. Well, I'm gonna just kind of go around and go to that other tycoon there. See what that is. Yeah, like really, what is that? Like, what is that kind of like this thing right here? VIP. Oh, it's a VIP. Let me out of here. How do you get off? I swear you can't get off. Oh, I'm pressing E. Probably why I can't get off. Right? That makes sense. Alright, I'll see you guys over there. Okay, not physically over there, but alright, right up here. Okay? Here we go. So can I just clean this? Oh man, I can't. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to pay V-Buck or Robux. What is the point of the VIP section if maybe they're working on it? Alright, I'll see you guys back in my my tycoon. Okay, so I'm back in my tycoon, and I clicked a little more, and I'm at $2,800. My money's going up quickly. Just go ching. See if we can get $4,600, $700. All right, what else can I buy here? Buy walls. There. So now we have $3,500. I'm going to click a little more, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, you totally didn't see me aggressively clicking like this. But yeah, here we are. How much money do we have ready for me? $2,000. Alright, I'll take that. Cha-ching! And yeah, this is mostly gonna be our tycoon for now, because I'm not gonna make a whole tycoon. But here we go. Next game coming right up. So here I searched up poop, and here it comes. Run from the poop. 99% of people cannot do this. Well, let's see if I'm part of the 1% that can do it. Huh? Beat that. Let me go take this thing off. Uh-oh, here we go. I gotta take this. It's very loud. That's something first off. And there's poop that's trying to kill me. I died. I can't. It's a bunch of poop all over. I mean, this is my dream though, so like, you know, can't really complain. You know, I love poop. Not to eat, but like just poop in general. Can I kill poop? Can I kill the poop? I don't really think I can kill poop. I'm shooting stuff at it. I don't know. I can't get the M16 out. Oh, you can't break it. You can kill the poop. Well, I can't shoot. Number 4. What's number 4? press shift to hold steady. I'm reloading. His poops are coming after me. I'm sorry, I'm not commentating. Poops. Poop. It's a poop. It's a poop. Kill the poop. I killed the poop. Ugh. I got it. Poop's dead. I'm saving you all. I'm saving you all. That poop's dead. Okay, any new poops? Okay, there's a new poop. I don't know if it has stink on it. So it looks like it's alive. Yeah, seems like there's no health going down. So, there's a nice looking poop. It's like the emoji. Also, I want to know, is this like corn? Are people eating corn in their poops or something? It looks very odd. I think people are eating corn and then they're pooping out corn. No, I don't really know. Who knows? Guys, I don't know. This is so weird. This is so unnecessary, but it's so fun. But I'm gonna have to end the video soon. But why are you still moving? You don't deserve to be alive, poop. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video and this monstrosity. If you guys did, please, if you guys did like this video, please leave a like. Sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell if you guys like my content only if you want. I can't force you to do it, so, yeah, bye!